intelligence attitude, and to think that nature as a system is more intelligent without the human animal in it than it is with the human animal in it. It just defies all logic. I mean, we have the ability to communicate as we're doing now. We have the intelligence to invent. We have the intelligence to improve landscapes because we understand biology and chemistry and physics and biochemistry, astronomy. We understand the seasons. We understand water cycles. Therefore, the epiphany today is human beings here were good for the landscape. Their grazing, browsing of animals throughout the landscape would have brought rain in the form of urine and droppings to the landscape. Humans and their animals were rainmakers. That's the basic idea.